Lost footage.
Hold up, B-Night, don't go nowhere. We're going to do a volume check. You call my phone? We're going to do a little volume check here.
What?
Check this out. I want you to call my phone, D. Remember?
Alright.
Come on, call my phone. When Flush call my phone, you hear how it rings? Don't look at the picture. You hear how it rings. Hey, call my phone, D. Just call my phone. No. I didn't show the picture. D-Night's gonna call my phone. We hurry the fuck up. When Tori call, sound the same way as from Flush call. But why, when this brother called, now listen to it when he called my phone. Sure gotta do a lot. I must not be in his favorites. Why is it louder? Why? Yeah.
Us riding just west of Williamsport Mountain. Few hours of parking lot pimping after dinner at the Waffle House. Show down here tonight. Looks like a 57 Ford. I don't know what exactly, 56, 57. But looks like the same. Huh?
I thought that was a micro.
Is that a 57?
I think you said 58. One right here, tell you.
Oh, okay.
57, you're correct.
My mom had one. My mom had one.
Pretty good flames on it,
Yeah.
really.
She had a gray, it was gray and white.
Gray and white.
Mhm.
I can see.
Yep.
This is the kind of car my dad was driving back in, let's say, 60, had to be 63, because I was 5. He was driving it from Cars Beach, and that was back to our house in Evanston Village. And it outran it was a CHP car from California Highway Patrol is where they bought it from. And it outran the Maryland State Troopers cars. He kept outrunning them. Then he stopped at a stop sign, and they boxed him in. He didn't have a driver's license from the time I was 5 to I was 16. That's 11 years, and drove every day. Damn, got a crack in my screen. Let me break it up every day. We are at the Muhammad Ali Center. Someone told me that there was a statue of Muhammad Ali in downtown Louisville. The gentleman works here said there's no statue, and they had pictures on the ground, but they had to take them up because of his religion. But there's not a statue, and there's never been a statue. So that's a myth. So we're gonna go take a couple pictures here and then roll on out. Got D and Flush down here at the big sign. Down here in Louisville, Kentucky. The mighty Mississippi. Hey, Tori, you know bringing Coors Bay east of the Mississippi is bootlegging?
Oh man, the helicopter just landed.
Yeah,
You want to get a helicopter ride?
Hell no.
Oh,
I don't do heights.
well, you were going to do that?
Do what?
The
I
tr-
wasn't doing that.
You said the tram?
I'm telling y'all that.
That's Tuesday. That's Tuesday. But from New Orleans to Memphis, I mean, from here to Memphis, only 2 something.
About the same.
About the same, yeah.
Like today. It ain't nothing but a fill up.
Yeah. Hey, when we stopped to get the Tennessee sign, Tori fell. We didn't get that on tape, but it was fun. Here we're crossing over mighty Mississippi River. Coming up on the Lorraine Motel, Memphis, Tennessee. If you don't know what it is, check your history. August 4th, 1968. That was a Thursday. I was 10.
Make a left and then make another left. We should pull right here.